The U0401 code means the ECM or PCM is sending invalid data to other control modules. In simple terms, something is messing with the communication between the engine control module and other systems in the vehicle. But why would this happen? The first cause is a software glitch or an update needed. Sometimes this code shows up because the ECM or PCM software needs an update. Vehicle computers can develop glitches over time, and manufacturers release updates to fix them. A simple reprogramming or reflashing of the module may clear this code. The second cause is a faulty ECM or PCM. Not all vehicles experience ECM or PCM failures, but when they do, it can lead to bad data being sent to other control modules. If the ECM itself is failing, it may need to be replaced or reprogrammed to restore proper communication. The third cause is wiring or connection issues. A damaged wire, corroded connector, or loose pin between the ECM and other modules can interrupt communication. If the modules can't reliably talk to each other, this code may set. Checking the CAN bus wiring and connectors can help narrow this down. The fourth cause is aftermarket parts or tunes. If you've installed an aftermarket tune, performance chip, or even a non-OEM sensor, it could send data that the ECM can't process correctly. Some vehicles are more sensitive to modifications and may throw this code due to unexpected signals. The fifth cause is low or unstable battery voltage. A weak or failing battery can cause control modules to receive incomplete or erratic data. If voltage drops too low while the vehicle is running, it can disrupt CAN bus network, triggering the U0401 code. Testing the battery and alternator can help rule this out. If you've had this code before, drop a comment below on what fixed it for you. It might help someone else who's struggling with the same issue.